Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zahin bin Kamal Zaman and my student ID is 2022625456 Today, I will present my assignment ECM367 about the sustainability and green construction of the PARKROYAL Collection Pickering that have involved in the building. Without wasting my time about my introduction, I will go to the explanation about the PARKROYAL Collection Pickering. For your information, a famous hotel landmark in Singapore designed by world-renowned architect Woha, Park Royal Collection Pickering offers a distinctive hotel in a garden concept that skillfully combines state-of-the-art environmentally friendly practice and technologies throughout the structure. The hotel dedication to sustainable development is demonstrated by the fact that it earned an International Sustainable Award in 2023 in the Sustainable Design and Infrastructure category. Park Royal Collection Pickering is in Singapore next to Chinatown. The Park Royal Collection, the Pickering Development Project combines sustainability and luxury. This project is an example of environmental conscious building since it incorporates biophilic design, renewable energy and water conservation. Under the direction of forward-thinking engineer, developer and architect, this cooperative project seeks to transform urban living while minimizing its negative environmental. Therefore, Singapore Park Royal Collection Pickering was built with a strong dedication to urban sustainability and environmental management. This architectural masterpiece rising aimed the colorful downtown, skillful combined innovative water conservation technology, renewable energy source and large flora. The goal of the building design is to create a symbiotic link between urban living space and the natural environment. Drawing inspiration from biophilic concept, its construction is a daring step toward reinventing the skyline with building that put environmental responsibility and elegance first. So this is the detail about the information of building Park Royal Collection. The client is Group Chief Executive OUL Group Limited by Mr. Niam B. Sid. Hotel Operation Pan Pacific Hotel Group Mr. Cho Peng Sam. The start date of designing this construction building start at December 2007 and then uh, January 2013. The project cost was about 137 million Singapore dollar. The architecture is by Woha, and for information of the participant that involved in this construction is structural engineering, civil and structural engineer, and so on. So there are four elements of green building that have categorized in this slide. For the first one is biophilic design. First and foremost, what are the meaning of biophilic design? According to the architecture by Woha, the meaning is connecting people to nature and following people to see the value in nature. The proposal integrates natural features like sunshine, natural ventilation, and flora into the architecture of the building, adhering to the principle of biophilic design by encouraging a connection with nature. This not only improves the building aesthetic appeal, but also improve the well-being of its occupants. The hotel architecture features 50,000 square meters of large greenery, lofty sky garden, reflective pools, and towering tier of greenery, forming Singapore's first hotel in a garden. There are 50 distinct plant kinds in the large tropical urban high-rise garden, including monsteras, alocaceae, calatheae, ferns, and plant variety. The plant were picked to promote biodiversity in the city and to adapt to different levels of natural light and warmth. Through evaporation transpiration, the flora enhance air quality, absorb heat and shed hard surface. To reduce insect assault and upkeep costs, fern, multiflora, alacosia, and euter plant were planted. For the second one is renewable energy. The hotel boasts a number of eco-friendly amenities and technologies such as EV charging station, 262 solar panel for clean, renewable energy on the roof and electric vehicle for gas transfer. The building shallow deep optimized natural day lighting and its high-performance glass block solar heat while letting in an abundance of natural light. The building is equipped with water-efficient fittings, energy-efficient LED and T5 fluorescence lighting and photo sensors to monitor light level. Also, PARKROYAL Collection Pickering placed a strong emphasis on sustainability and has included numerous energy savings measures all throughout the structure. The hotel established Singapore as a global pioneer in green high-rise construction after winning the title of World Leading Green City Hotel at the esteemed World Travel Award. Next, we go to the water conservation. The project implements advanced water conservation techniques to minimize water consumption and promote efficient water management. Features such as rainwater harvesting system, grey water recycle, and low-flow fixture help reduce potable water usage and mitigate strains on local water resources, contributing to overall environmental sustainability. Fertigation systems have been installed to provide slow, steady, and persistent amount of water and nutrients to the planter. The hotel food waste digester convert food waste into grey water which is responsibly discharged into sewage instead of landfill. For the last one is sustainable material. Park Royal Collection Pickering prioritizes the use of eco-friendly material throughout its construction, from sustainable such wood and recycled material to low VOC paint and environmentally friendly insulation. Every aspect of material selection is guided by the principle of sustainability, minimizing environmental impact while ensuring structural integrity and occupants' health. So, this is for benefit of green construction that reflected to the effect of the greenhouse gas emission. For the first one is biophilic design. Biophilic design element into green building can enhance indoor air quality and occupants' comfort, reducing the need for energy-intensive heating, ventilation and air conditioning system. By maximizing natural light and ventilation, biophilic design reduces reliance on artificial lighting and mechanical ventilation, consequently lowering energy consumption and greenhouse gas emission associated with building operation. Next, renewable energy. Utilize renewable energy sources such as solar power in green building reduce reliance on fossil fuel, which are major contributor to greenhouse gas emission. By generating clean energy on site, green building can significantly offset their carbon footprint, contributing to overall reduction in greenhouse gas emission and advancing the transition to a low carbon economy. For the third one is water conservation. Implementing water conservation measures in green building have reduced energy consumption associated with water treatment and distribution. By incorporating technology like rainwater harvesting and grey water recycle, green building minimizing water usage thereby reducing the energy required for pumping, heating and treating water. This is third lead to indirect reduction in greenhouse gas emission associated with energy intensive water management processes. The last one is using sustainable material infrastructure reduce the environment impact associated with such extraction, manufacturing and transportation. By opting for eco-friendly material with lower embodied carbon emission, green building minimize their carbon footprint throughout the building life cycle. Additional sustainable material often has superior thermal performance and durability, leading to energy saving over the building lifespan and further contributing to greenhouse gas emission reduction. So this is the recommendation for the future that we can get. For the first one, investing in renewable energy. Look into ways to increase the amount of renewable energy produced on the property, such as adding more solar panels on or incorporating other renewable energy resources. To further encourage the use of clean energy solutions, think about forming alliance with neighbor utility or offering government incentive. Second one is green building certification and recognition. To formal acknowledge the building sustainable accomplished first green building certificate like BCA Green Mark or LED LEED Leadership Energy and Environmental design. Use this certificate to your advantage to increase the building markability, draw in eco-aware tenants, and show off your leadership in sustainable development. And the last one is constant monitoring and optimization. Put in and place an extensive monitor system to keep track of indoor air quality, energy, and water use, and other important performance metrics. Utilize this information to pinpoint problem area and extend building operation for optimal sustainability and efficiency. So, in my conclusion, the Park Royal Collection Pickering building is a trailblazing illustration of green construction, demonstrating the function of environmental friendly design, technology, and method. The building may continue to set an example for others and encourage them to adopt green building techniques for a more sustainable future by putting the suggested guideline into effect and encouraging a culture of sustainability. So this is the reference that I got from the information that I got, and thank you for your patience and watching, and goodbye.